In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook app and then at the bottom right hand corner tap at menu icon. Then scroll down for a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy and then hit on Settings. Next, all you have to do is just right here tap at magnifying glass icon and then right here at the search box type in lock. Then tap right here where it says profile locking, and now here you can lock your profile. After you lock your profile, only friends will see the photos, posts and stories on your profile, and only friends will see your full-size profile picture and cover photo. People will still be able to search for you and send you friend request. If you want to lock your profile, just hit right here at lock your profile button. And that's it. I have just locked my profile. I can hit on OK. And if this video was helpful for you, you can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.